Coleen, originally from Tooting, Streatham, borderline. Now in Surrey. Yes, and what am I, with a daughter who is going to be turning 18 in about 2 months.
Wow.
So yeah, that puts a age price ticket on me. That's aging me real quick.
Hilarious. Awesome. Okay, cool. So let's get into it. So regarding your where you started your journey. So you're from South London. Big up all the South London people. What was school like for you? Did you go public school, private school?
I went to a grammar school.